Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again on this ChatGPT stuffs. Can you imagine? I actually put the chat to test and it was able to write me insane poems. Like, I was shocked. Let me show you something. Now I said, write me a poem on heartbreak. Watch and see the magic. Can you imagine? Look at lines. Like, I'm thrilled. Do you know you can actually, there are websites you go where you write poem and being paid for, and these are fresh stuff. Like, you can't find it anywhere on the internet. These lines, they are so real. Like, there's no copyright on it. Now let me show you something else I asked him to do. Create a poem about the person I love who doesn't feel the same way. Just watch and see. My love for you is stronger than troubles. Can you imagine? Oh my god, this chat, yeah, is something else. Like, it's off the hook. You can do literally anything you want. You only just know how to ask. Okay, so you can see, you can use it to write different kind of poem. So let me do one more. Let me say, write me a poem about the person I love who cheated on me. Just watch and see. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Like, I'll be making a lot of stuff. These are just minor stuff. I think I'm going to drop a link to a website where you can sell poems. You can even start doing article writing with this. If you're in Kenya, you're in Nigeria, you're in Zimbabwe, India, USA, you can do this. Like, all over the world, you have access to this. If you don't know how to access the ChatGPT, check on my channel, subscribe, check on my channel, go to my playlist, you see ChatGPT, just pick, you see the introduction to ChatGPT, just watch that video. We'll show you how to start, then you start spinning the internet. Like, maximize your usage, write like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Thanks and bye for now.